Hey everyone, back to Doyle's Garage, 58 Corvette edition. Today we got the parts. These are all the parts that are going to come with the car. They should be on the car, but they're not. This is how they were. They weren't nicely boxed up like this, but I'm going to open up all these, even though they're nice and wrapped, much like a holiday gift. What you do get 2 extra tires. So the car has 4. These 2 are extra. There's actually a full spare. The original spare is in the trunk. These I couldn't put on the car because they were completely debeaded. And this one is rotted to a point of, yeah. But the rims do fit. If you wanted to see some real cool stuff like legit snow tires with gigantic studs in them that rip up your driveway when you try to push it, you get those tires, and you get all these things in the boxes, which are the interior door skins, the washer pump and the canister, random interior parts, extra fuel pump, don't know if it's good, the carb tag and a linkage, jack components, and there was things in here. So let me put this on a stand. I'll show you what we got. First off is the jack. This came with the car. I'm assuming it's original because it is there. It does work, it functions. Spin it up and down. It comes with all the little thingies that come with it. Let me see if I can do this. Put this aside. This is getting all the needles for you. Alright, so this is a generator, alternator. Oh my goodness, this thing weighs 1,000 pounds. My goodness. So it is a Delco Remy 8F18. My goodness, thing's heavy. Not like I need to go to the gym, but it was in a box on the floor. I don't know if it's good. It does spin. There doesn't seem to be a lot of end play on the shaft, but it spins freely. It doesn't make any grinding or, got a bunch of sand stuck in their noise. Don't know if these are rebuilt. Don't know if they're worth any money. I'm not a Corvette expert, but it came with the car. It's going with the car. So use it as an anchor, paperweight. Get some reps in for the gym. Put this aside. A fuel pump from Sears. Now, people that don't know what Sears is, it was a store that had a cool stuff. This is what was in it. Okay. I tried to do some research, couldn't find anything. Said when you look up the number, it says it goes to a snowblower, and I am not an expert on snowblowers. I've used snowblowers. I don't remember something that looked like a fuel pump like this on a snowblower. Comes with you, with the car, in the box. Interior parts. Thank you to my buddy Mike for labeling. We've got nicely wrapped items, including a gas pedal. Yeah. That's up. You get wonderful, beautiful side marker that's on the interior, covered in one of the earlier episodes. Still this cardboard backing. Use it, don't use it. It's still a cool piece. If not, you know who would really enjoy something like this? Ian Roussel. If you don't know who he is, look him up on the internet. He is a mad artist. Does some really cool stuff, and he would use some funky stuff like that. So if you don't like him, send them to him. I'm sure he would enjoy it. I'm not sending him because it comes with the car, and I don't want to deny you the happiness of unboxing all these things. Maybe you didn't get anything cool for the holidays. Well, now you do. These are the armrests. The interior door skins are off. These were off. there's no hardware, apologies, but they do come with the car. So got a left side. I'll rewrap those later. A little bit nicer with we got a little zealous the photo shoot, and I actually started wrapping things. I had my buddy Mike help me, but I forgot I had to show you what was in these parts. So yeah, should clean them up, shine them up. They're here, they're original. Put this aside, and this is the driver's door panel that goes on the inside. In the earlier episode, we showed you there was some mystery wiring going into the door. There's no panel there. Well, I did find the panel. It was in the trunk, underneath the now shredded trunk mat that was just deteriorated and was falling apart as I was picking it up. So this was underneath it, so it does come with it. So put all these back. I am going to rewrap all these things nicely. Please don't send comments like, I didn't rewrap them, man. Or do send comments. I really, it is what it is. This is the carburetor linkage. The carburetor is on the car, not bolted, but it's just bolted down. Or not, it's on the car for appearance from the photo shoot. But I took the carb tag off because it was kind of getting a little mangled. It's a Carter AFB. Sorry, it wasn't getting mangled because of the photo shoot. It was mangled, period. But I just figured, you know what? Whoever's going to buy this car might want it. So yeah, here it is. And again, I was trying to shoot numbers on it before. It was kind of really difficult to do. Maybe I'll put an insert of what it does look like. So that's going to come with you, back in the box. And, I don't know if this is worth $1 trillion or not. I'm just trying to be respectful to the other things that people will get. Let's see. Let's do the big thing last. Washer pump and canister. Thank you, Mike, for your... you do have the vacuum canister. The washer pump with the module. It does fit inside the car. It's got the brackets, so on the car there's these brackets to help hold it in place. They seem to be not working the greatest on the car, so I just took this off. I put it in here because someone may need it. Again, I don't know if whoever's buying this car, if you're just going to blow it apart and sell the parts off, or you're going to actually blow the car up because you work for the movie industry and you thought, cool, we should blow up a car. Or you're going to drop an LS in it and you don't care about any of this stuff. Or maybe you're going to restore it and you do care. I err on the side of caution. So we have that. The canister is really dirty. I don't know the make and model of it. It is like completely caked. But I don't know if it's jingling like it's got... Those are not the car keys, I'm sure. But why don't we say, for purposes of comes with the car. Alright, we got that. And save the best for last. Door skins. Again, thank you, Mike, for wrapping these so awesome. I apologize that I have to just cut them open because of my own short-sightedness. But yeah, this is gonna go, everything's gonna come with the car. So again, if you're following the channel, if you're not following the channel, this is my parents' car. They've owned it since 1963. It's been sitting in a garage for 40 years. My dad is currently in the hospital, not doing too well. Alzheimer's and complications. My uncle who worked on the car has passed away, so I have no history on the car or can tell you what was going on. I do know there was parts everywhere, much like a lot of project cars. This is one side of the door skin. Yes, it has the chrome here, so yes, it's sort of complete. It's got one of the eyelets for the lights. I don't expect this to be reused. I can imagine someone might need it for a template, or you can use little things off of it like the stainless and this. But this one is greenish. This one has a black leather or pleather or something. It's got the chrome trim. It's got the eyelets here, chrome. I have a feeling my dad was trying to do something to customize it. You know, this looks like a rudimentary, really rudimentary sewing job. I myself do sewing. I'm not an expert by any means, please. I'm not an expert, but yeah, it doesn't look like it's like the coolest job, but it looks like they were trying to do something to customize it, and that's great. For you, the next owner, this is what you're gonna get. I'm trying to just be gentle and to be respectful, because maybe you will do something cool with this car. It deserves to have something cool to be done to it. It's just not me. I'm not the guy. So it's going to be someone else. And hopefully all of this will help you. So again, parts come with the car. The car is going to be up for sale soon. So as soon as I get that paperwork signed, it's going to be up for auction. News to come soon. I got like 1 or 2 more videos to do on this, and then new owner. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the videos, and have a good holiday. Have a good 2025. May 2026 be awesome. Later. Pile of parts. Woo, pile of parts.